welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is the part of our Indian Contract Act 1872 series. In our previous video, we learnt about offer, and in today's video, we're going to learn about acceptance. For a contract to be enforceable in law, the offer must be accepted by the person to whom the offer was extended. The acceptance must be in the prescribed manner, and the acceptance must be communicated to the offerer. Now, who can accept an offer? An offer can be accepted only by the person to whom the offer was extended to in the first place. That is, the intended offeree. Second, if the offer was extended to the group of people via an ad or a public offer, then it can be accepted by anybody in the group or anyone in the public. For example, if there is an ad in the newspaper for a lost diamond ring, then anybody could accept the offer. Talking about the second condition of a valid acceptance, which is that the acceptance must be according to the offer, which means while making an offer, if the offerer has specified a certain way, the offer must be accepted. That is via a message or via writing or orally or by doing some action. Then in order to make the acceptance valid, the terms must be complied by the offeree. Third condition for a valid acceptance is that the acceptance must be communicated to the offerer. Now this has a few sub-conditions. One is silence as an acceptance. In most conditions, silence cannot be put as a condition to express acceptance. For example, if you do not reply to my message, I will assume that your answer is yes. That is not a valid condition. But in case of a continuing relationship, silence can be taken as acceptance. For example, the most relevant example I can give you is your Netflix subscription. Say for example, you've entered your card details and you've taken a Netflix plan. So it keeps renewing until you unsubscribe or until you stop the subscription. Second is unilateral acceptance. Now what do you mean by unilateral acceptance? This is the condition where the offerer promises a reward in return of performance and the offeree has to express his acceptance in the form of the performance. For example, if I give an ad in the newspaper that my dog is lost and I will give 2000 rupees to anybody who finds the dog. Now a lot of the people who try to find the dog, but there's only one person who will actually find it and can claim the reward. So here I am the offerer and I am promising the reward of 2000 rupees in return for the performance of finding my dog. And the person who has actually found my dog has expressed his acceptance to my offer for the reward by finding my dog. In case of a unilateral offer, the offer cannot be modified or revoked after the offeree has started working on it, unless and until the offeree has been given a sufficient and reasonable amount of time to complete his performance. The third kind of acceptance is bilateral acceptance. Now, bilateral acceptance, by its name, you can understand that it is between two people. This is the general form of acceptance that we use in our daily life. That is, both parties enter into the contract. One party is the offerer, another is the offeree, and the acceptance must be communicated to the offerer. For example, if I make an offer as an offerer that I will sell my house to you for 80 lakh rupees, then you as an offeree must communicate your acceptance to me. The essential condition in a bilateral acceptance is the agreement is not said to be complete unless and until the offeree submits a proper formal acceptance to the offerer in the manner prescribed by the offerer. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we will talk about the other essential elements of contract under the Indian Contract Act 1872. So stay tuned.